Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2010, ElecTRONica debuted at Disney California Adventure. The nighttime dance party promoted the Tron Legacy movie. Programs and users could try their hand at retro video games at Flynn's Arcade, or re-energize, restore, and renew with glowing beverages at the end of the line club, or maybe dance alongside a DJ in futuristic programs, or watch Laserman bathe light itself. ElecTRONica was meant to run for 6 months, but ended up lasting an extra year due to the popular demand. Do you remember it? Were you there opening night? I think Mr. Daps was. Anyway, have a magical day.